Hi everyone, I'm Shamira and this is FabFitFun's YouTube and you are watching Customize Close Up. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you items that all members can customize for their spring box. So all of these products are gonna be available to members for customize for the spring season. Super exciting, so many options. And we're gonna get into them now. The first thing I'm gonna grab is the Giadzy copper-plated measuring spoons.
Wow.
So these measuring spoons were created by Giada De Laurentiis. She is a queen and my personal cooking idol. And fun tip, she is having some cooking recipes and videos go on FabFitFun TV. They are 100% stainless steel with copper coating, and copper coating is so in right now. So you can actually use this in your house as decor if you really wanted to. I think it would be super cute, just like hanging up in your kitchen. You're really classy. You can basically pretend like you know how to cook even if you don't. If someone sees this, they'll be like, they get it. So up next we have the Lavido Aromatic Body Lotion. First of all, the packaging is everything. It has these like cute little leaves and it would just look really pretty in my lotion collection, which is a thing. It has mandarin orange and bergamot in it, which are essential oils. It's really good for all skin types. You can use it all over your body from the neck down. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, it smells amazing. It smells like essential oils, which is my lifestyle, so I'm really happy that it smells that way. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So it's super lightweight, but really moisturizing, which is cool. I feel like you could also use this, like I have a lot of lotions in my desk at work, and I would definitely just use this throughout the day on my hands, and then smell them to de-stress throughout the day. Here at FabFitFun, we know that our members love a good surprise. So this season, you have the option to customize with a mystery item. And it could be anything, it's a total surprise. So it could be beauty related, it could be a palette, it could be a massage roller, it could be a body cream. The choices are endless. We love a good mystery and we can promise this one is a good one. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then comment below and let us know which items you're gonna choose for your spring box. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.